My name is Pieter Streicher. I'm a farmer in the Leandra district. Our main business is maize and soya beans and cattle. The main reason for us to go solar is because Eskom wasn't very competitive. It made a lot of sense to go on your own. It was a very big decision to make, but after all, we're very happy now. Everything is sorted out and there's no problems. Actually, we were very surprised. We have to change a few things, but fortunate during winter time it's a bit difficult to have to make a few changes in your lifestyle. But fortunately, we managed to do that, and we're very happy now. We had to use them a few times because there were small problems. But when I called them, they was here within an hour, and we sorted out, and I'm very happy with the service. A friend of mine said he was with a Lumo for a long time, and he was very happy. So they were very competitive with their prices, and I decided to go with them. Ja, ek sal definitief Lumo aanbeveel. Omrede hulle diens baie goed is. Hulle is altyd op tyd. Hulle het alles op tyd gedoen en dit is nie dat alles foutloos was nie. Daar was probleme in die begin, maar hulle was bereid om alles uit te sorteer. Dus ek sê dis 'n moeilike besluit om te neem om oor te gaan. Maar as jy oorgaan en jy weet jy die regte ondersteuning, dan doen 'n mens dit en ek is glad nie spyt daaroor nie.